everyone, this is Gianna Lianis once again. I'm back here at CSA Medical Aesthetics. Last time you saw me get my nose lifted, but this time around I'm actually going to be doing more to my face, and it's more on tightening and really lifting for that natural look. So I do work on camera for a lot of my jobs, but I also found that most of the time, as much as I can, I really try to avoid wearing makeup, which is why I want to go for that natural, just really pulled and clean look. So we're going to do Ultherapy for my face, and yeah, we're just going to take you through the entire process.
Good day everyone, welcome to the CSA Medical Aesthetics, and we are here today with Gianna, okay, like a follow-up treatment also. We did in the past threads on the face and also like nose enhancement. And for today, because we wanted to achieve this kind of like as much as possible, we don't wear too much of a makeup on our face. We just want to show our bare skin.
Yes.
Baby skin only for Gianna.
Yes.
Okay. So since we did already procedures that will enhance collagen stimulation and still improve the skin texture, and at the same time enhance the beautiful features of the face like the nose thread lifting there, we also want something that will, when you combine it with those procedures, will further enhance the, you know, the skin's radiance, the skin's health, improve texture, close pores, and further collagen stimulation there. So for today, we'll be doing Ultherapy for Gianna. And this kind of procedure is non-surgical, non-invasive, okay? It can be a lunchtime treatment. You can just do it and like you have an hour break, leave on the anesthesia and do the procedure. No needles. You can even have an event later on.
Yes.
Okay, I think she has an event later on.
Yes.
So Gianna, I'm so happy that you're here again.
Yes.
To do a maintenance treatment, the so-called Ultherapy. So we'll show that procedure when we return. Okay, we're back. So we're doing the Ultherapy treatment for Gianna, and we'll be doing the so-called standard type of treatment because we also have the customized and the modified type of treatment, and it depends on the anatomy of the face, the symmetry, and the skin tissue condition. For Gianna, it's for a purpose of doing a maintenance treatment to keep the skin tight, firm, and lifted as well. And we want to further stimulate collagen there. So I'll be using a 3.0 transducer for Gianna, and here's my Ultherapy machine. Take note, we have the authentic Ultera in our center. For this kind of treatment, we can work on for example, the lower part of the face if you want to improve this jowl region here, and the mid-face section, the nasolabial part. If you want to prevent sagginess there, you can make use of the Ultherapy. Okay, and for some people, we also do like face slimming or like fat reduction on the face. But for Gianna, we wanted more of a tight and firmness in the skin. It's not really making her face smaller, but it's more of inducing collagen. Okay, so it's a different approach, and we can still do a so-called contouring of the face, like the cheek area. We can give like a much better cheek contour, or a so-called sexy cheek contour. Okay, so I'll be starting in the lower part of the face. So I'm using my 3.0 transducer there, and the good thing with the Ulthera is I can see the different layers of the skin and the tissue layers of the face. Okay, there you go. So I'll do my first shot there. How's that?
I can't feel anything.
Okay, there you go. It's a painless procedure. So we'll just continue with it. So I'll give some shots here. I'll be doing a so-called like contouring shape also. Ultherapy for Gianna, and we made use of our 3.0 and 1.5 millimeter transducers. So we targeted the dermis and the subdermis layer for the fibroblast stimulation. So I did like spread the treatment. I wanted to treat also the infraorbital region to tighten the skin there and also prevent wrinkles and lines and prevent sagginess. So this is also a prevention already. Now after this, we'll be doing the so-called cryotherapy to kind of like reduce some of the redness and pinkish color there, and to further tighten and close the pores so that Gianna can still go to her activity later on. Okay, there you go. And we're back. So let's show the post-Ulthera treatment of G. Okay, short for Gianna. Okay, and here's the mirror G. Okay, there you go.
Ooh,
yeah.
Okay, I already see it.
Exactly.
Yes.
So a while ago there was some redness while we were doing the treatment, and right now the redness is going away. It will instantly fade away. Okay, so a little bit of like still marks from the Ulthera 1.5 millimeter this part, but in a little while it's gonna flatten also. So how was the experience, G?
It was actually painless po. Yeah, I was scared because I did some research and thought it might hurt, but it was painless.
Exactly. Well, actually what we do with that is there's a certain like energy for this one, like the intensity, okay? So, and we have to assess the skin condition, the skin type, the thinness of the skin. That's why we have the ultrasound imaging. That's why we can adjust the energy of this one. So it's gonna be like a comfortable experience. It's not gonna be like a traumatizing experience, right? And the effect of this one, gradually you'll just see more of the tightening and firming in a span of like 90 days. So that's a good thing with the Ultherapy, right? It's a safe device. We were able to visualize the different tissue layers, so precision is there also. And you're just seeing the results as days pass by.
Awesome.
Okay. And the wonderful thing with Miss G, okay, she still has an event later on because she's into newscasting. She is like a host also, a TV host. Okay. Any like a sample for our audience, how you do it? Like if there's like a sports event, like a little bit.
Okay, let me think. So I will be going to report for a game for Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, and that's shown on TV5 and Signal.
Okay,
so,
we'll watch that.
Yeah, a sample.
A little bit.
Sige pa, let me think.
Welcome to the game.
Okay.
Take your time.
I think we can really feel the energy dito sa ating venue ngayon. Sabi nga ng Team Pampanga, na-boost talaga ang moral nila coming into this game. So that's going to be their #1 motivation for today. Nakita natin that the boys are really encouraging each other even before stepping on court. And they said, we really have to win this for our province. Back to you guys.
Yay! There you go! Yan! The energy! I can feel the energy! And parang nagra-rap lang. No? Parang napapasayaw na ako. Ganun yata dapat talaga eh. No? Full energy. And at the same time, nag-glow ka.
Yes.
And of course, your audience will really love watching you. We'll look into that. Thank you so much, Gianna.
Thank you.
We appreciate you being with us here and trusting, of course, the CSA for these kinds of treatments.
Thank you po.
There you go, folks. So if you have any questions, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com, Instagram CSA Medical Aesthetics, and Facebook CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Pulong Maragol, Angeles City. Contact numbers 0933-860-9193 or 0917-504-4268. So thank you so much. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.